now how to go from masculine to feminine. This is possible only for animated beings. It's not possible for objects. For example, you can go from the masculine to the feminine if you have a word like ragazzo, boy, because now you can have the equivalent feminine even in English, boy and girl. So in Italian we have ragazzo and the equivalent feminine ragazza. But you can change the gender of an object, for example, even if an object in Italian is masculine or feminine, but can be only masculine or feminine. For example, book is masculine, but you can like make a feminine of book. It is masculine and it stays masculine. Same thing for a feminine object like pen. Pen is feminine by convention and will stay feminine. So let's see how to go from masculine to feminine when we have nouns that represent animated beings. So, for example, people, sometimes animals. Okay. Usually masculine ending in o, like let's take ragazzo. Usually masculine ending in o have their feminine in a, Italian a. So ragazzo become ragazza. But sometimes less frequent, but sometimes nouns ending in of could have their feminine in essa. I'm giving you an example. Avvocato, you know that avvocato means lawyer. The equivalent feminine is avvocatessa. So we saw in this case, masculine no as the equivalent in a, and in this case, masculine ino as the equivalent in essa. Okay. Then let's see what happened with masculine ending in e. You know that when we have a, we can have nouns that are masculine and nouns that are feminine. But let's talk here about masculine nouns in a. Masculine nouns that represent animated beings. Let's take, for example, one word that you already know, like signore, Mr. Okay, signore. So, signore is a masculine noun ending in e. What is the equivalent feminine is signora. So, the feminine equivalent is signora that ends in a. So, for masculine nouns ending in e, we can have a feminine ending in a English. This is the case of signore and signora. But now let's see another case where the masculine ending in e English has another ending in the feminine. And let's take a word like dottore. You know that dottore means doctor. Okay. Dottore. The feminine is dottoressa. So in this case, we have a word, a masculine word ending in ore, still e, but ore, and the equivalent feminine is dottoressa, so essa. Okay, what about attore? Same thing. We have a masculine word ending in ore, like dottore, but the feminine is different. It's not attoressa, but is, you already know this, attrice. So the result can also be ore, trice. So signore, signora, dottore, dottoressa. This is the same case of professore, professoressa. Okay? Attrice, attore, I'm sorry, attrice. But now we have another case. Let's take a word ending in e, like cantante, singer, and this is the masculine. What about the feminine? The feminine is exactly the same. So cantante works for the masculine and cantante works for the feminine as well. So when we have nouns ending in a, masculine noun ending in a, we can have like those cases. E, a, ore, essa, ore, trice, e.